Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 27th of February, today Monday, and today we will make a sort of overview of what was happening during the last trading week with all cryptocurrencies and discuss whether the bullish trend is over or not. Probably bullish idea is still actual. And we will start with an article by Irina Maximova and some figures and overview of last trading week. Bitcoin edged up on Friday morning, but later it moved to a correction. On Thursday, it fell below 24,000 after trying to grow at the beginning of trading session. Recall that on Wednesday, it closed the day below $24,000 for the first time in the last 8 days. A key pressure factor on the cryptocurrency market was the weak results of the last trading session in the US and Asian stock markets. On Tuesday, the Dow Jones fell by 2.06%, S&P by 2%, and Nasdaq lost 2.5%. Meanwhile, Asian stock markets also closed lower on Wednesday. By the way, since the beginning of 2022, analysts increasingly begin to emphasize the high level of correlation between the US stock markets and virtual assets, amid tense expectations of both the consequences of geopolitical conflict in Eastern Europe and the further steps of the US Federal Reserve. So what's next? Traditionally, coming to the end of February is considered a good month for Bitcoin. Since 2010, the cryptocurrency rose in the price in this month in 8 cases and fell only by 3. At the same time, the average increase in the coin was 31%. Many experts believe that the recent breakthrough of the Bitcoin importance mark of 25,000 level this February will contribute to its further confident rise and make the next important target a level of 29,500. Crypto analysts are even more optimistic about March. For example, Michael Novogratz, CEO of digital asset management company Galaxy Digital, recently suggested that Bitcoin could reach $30,000 by the end of March. What's happening with altcoin market? Ethereum, Bitcoin's main competitor, also started Friday with growth, which later turned into a correction. As for the cryptocurrencies from the top 10 by capitalization, all of them, with the exception of Bitcoin and a number of stable coins, showed strong decline. And Polygon was the worst in results. As for cryptocurrencies from top 100 most capitalized digital assets, the strongest digital asset was Stacks. It showed the best results, while Loopring showed the worst. And some more statistics. According to CoinGecko, as of Friday morning, the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies managed to settle above the important key level of $1 trillion and stands at $1.048 trillion. Despite this, it has more than tripled since November 2021, when the figure exceeded $3 trillion. Okay, and now some technical forecasts. And another article by Ralph Shedlam. The article was written on Friday. So Ralph says that Bitcoin is down by 4.37% in the last 7 days, and the currency law forced the crypto market to drop. The altcoins turned to the downside as well, as we all know it. And in the short term, Bitcoin moved sideways between 25,212 and 23,369 levels, and further dropping and stabilizing below the major ascending pitchfork median line may announce a larger correction. You can see that the rate tested and retested the median line, and now it seems determined to take out 23,369 as well. So his forecast is the following: escaping from the current range could bring new opportunities. A valid breakdown below 23,369 activates more declines, at least towards the median line of the descending pitchfork. A larger drop should be activated after taking out of the median line. Okay, let's have a look at the chart for the moment. It's the 27th of February today. And what do we see? Well, according to Ralph, for example, during the weekend, yes, Bitcoin was lower than that very 23,369 level Ralph mentioned. However, it didn't fell further. It consolidated around this level all of the weekend, and yesterday at the end of the day it went a bit higher, and it opened today already at 23,509, and now at the moment of the publication it is trading at 23,383. So what does this mean? Probably it's again moving upwards, and probably it's again trying to test that very mark Ralph mentioned. It's really close to it. So anyway, the new week has just begun, and we will see what will be happening with Bitcoin during the week. We will follow the situation, and we will see each other in our next review tomorrow. As usual, wish you profitable trading and successful day, and till next.